Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dari subtitle Implementasi of Discovery Learning Factor Analysis in Transforming Learning Achievement Without Stimulus Organism Response Theory. Introduction. The basic concept that use a theory SUR, stimulus organism response, combined with regression factor analysis. This model was developed in 1917 for the material object of this the same as covering the component attitude, opinion, behavior, cognition. SUR and factor analysis can be predicted and have a good view and can also predict the impact of the use of the theory. This study aims to expand the organization response stimulus model for the discovery type learning context to validate the influence of the motivation dimension on achievement change. Factor regression analysis can be used to construct good latent variable, whether the motivational dimension that have been formed as latent variable are stable. It is necessary to retest as new model in discovery learning. Whether students can find new things with a then proven then motivation effect change student achievement. Problem formulation. How to form a component factor of a motivation dimension. Number 2. How latent construct regression coefficient of motivation factor. Number 3. How motivation variable affect student achievement. Research objective. Form a component factor motivation dimension. Number 2. Forming regression coefficient of factor motivation latent construct. Number 3. Knowing the effect of motivation variable of student achievement. Methodology. Data collection technique and discovery type scientific learning model states. Literature review. This concept model is a model that explains how a stimulus is captured by the organism and then perceived, resulting in a response. The group is based on the closest of the correlation between age indicator and the determinant of the number of subtests based on the eigen value taken on value above the value of 1. Stimulus that carry out an organism will be responded well by students as well as that motivation effect student achievement variable is a hypothesis that need to be tested for truth, whether the stimulus that has been given to students will have effect on significant change in present. Result and discussion. Validity and reliability test. Validity test and reliability test. Cronbach alpha with validity result is valid and reliability is reliable. Multicollinearity. There are no symptoms of multicollinearity. Tolerance value of all manifest more than 0.10, while variance inflation factor value less than 10, regular regression any can be used. Analysis factor KMO test and Barber test sphericity. KMU value of 0.8x1 is well category. Number of factor is 2 component format because initial 18 value factor more than 1. There are 2 component factor. The rotation order factor 1, there are 12 dimension is mood nemu, and rotation factor 2, there are 4 dimension is mood bareng. See table 1. The equation regression product after stimulus and more tested and significant with positive constanta, positive variable mood nemu, positive variable mood bareng. Mention of variable name. Table 1, name of constructs. There are 20 dimensions as stimulus and 2 new latent constructions, namely mood nemu and mood bareng. Mood nemu 12 dimension and mood bareng 4 dimension. Funding five basic principles of discovery learning as our theory. Identification of achievement based on the result of factor analysis mood nemu variable with 12 indicator and a mood bareng variable with 4 indicator to predict superior quality. Identifying value by mapping a student to be able to map the learning process in finding motivation and cooperation. Increase the power of motivation and cooperation in students who are less value added from all activity throughout the learning process. Conditioned so that material information and result flow in the efficient natural manner throughout the discovery learning process using the potential of the work group. Continuously looking for several stimulus models to design learn so as to increase superior achievement. Conclusion: the factor analysis model can trace the dimension of each student for the latent construct of your mood nemu and mood together variable. The relation between SOR theory and factor analysis is ideal to be used as a friend for analysis and follow-up improve in the implementation of student achievement improvement. The result of the model are appropriate for interesting the effect of the stimulus dimension of learning motivation on learning outcome. The estimated positive constanta, positive mood nemu, and positive mood bareng. The value of R square is quick good. So this model is appropriate to interpret the influence on the dimension stimulus motivation learning to learning outcome and can be used well to predict the learning outcome with two variable format, namely motivation discovery variable and motivation group variable. It is expected for advanced research to be developed for regression factor model transform with automatic regression to obtain student information that need attention and need more intensive motivation. Thank you.